Hello peeps of the world, my name's Jared, and today we're gonna do something important. We're gonna do something big. Big cojones. I have these boys. These boys are peppers. There's a chair, and then there's duct tape. From the ones that's been watching from 2 years ago, I applaud you. Because this is the Phoenix Challenge 2! Hotter than ever. So, with these peppers, with this chair, this duct tape, and peppers, these peppers are approximately 2.3 million Scoville units. And this one, this big one, fat one right here, is an experimental one, which is a crossbreed between something and a California Reaper. Yeah! So with that, it could be, the same as a California Reaper, or even slightly hotter. I don't know. I'm gonna be testing it. I'm gonna die, and this time I'll actually be dying. Cause guess what? Guess what I figured out? The chili peppers that I had last time, those were 15 to 30,000. I'm gonna do the math here because I'm stupid and I forgot to. Yeah. 195. Okay. Divided by 30,000. That's nearly 50,000 times more! Whoa! Oh wait, hang on. 50 times more, not 50,000. There we go, good math. I have a calculator and a brain! Okay. My assistants. This is Brett. As you know from Brett, from previous videos, he's Brett. Brett, say hi. But you've been in multiple videos. You don't have to be weird. It's fine. This won't help you. This won't stop you. No one help you getting a job. It shows you people. So this is a brand new fresh tape, as you just saw me unravel it. God. You can see it's already fudging up. Okay, we have tape. We have a chair. I'm gonna elevate myself a bit. I'm now the elevated one. Brett, would you do the honors? Let's do my left hand because I may have to do stuff with my right. 1, 2. Can you count with me? 3. 4. My tongue's gonna die. I can't get out of that, and if I can, I'm gonna be a super saiyan. Okay, we're gonna take my feet together because last time I did that. So we're gonna go around, what, 6 times? About, I'd say around 6. No, yeah, like, just wrap it around. Oh no! I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah. I saw a lot of you unsubscribed. You gotta subscribe. Look, 99 billion%, 100% of people unsubscribe. If you're that 0%, you suck. Oh, once I begin, get the milk, and then put it at the corner of the thing. Because that's how it goes. I have to break out in order to get the milk. So, we may have to move the whole thing. Oh, and then put it on my mouth. Can't do that. Unforced and upward. Yeah, so we're gonna get the experimental one first. You're gonna take it, I'm just gonna bite into it. Yeah, that one. Try to. Now, disclaimer, don't do this. I do this because I want to do this. I do this because if I die, you die. Safety first, and second. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay, on push. Just down. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh no! Oh! Oh, you're gonna have to get that milk, man! Go get it! It's in the fridge! Oh no! Oh, oh god! Oh, horrible idea! Everything's on fire! Ah! Ah! Ow! Oh! Give me the milk! Give me the milk! It won't stop! It won't stop! Oh no! It won't stop! Every time I inhale it gets worse! I'm seriously scared! There's someone... We have to call 911. Don't stop it, don't stop it. Get the scissors. It won't stop. It just won't stop. This isn't fun anymore. If I drink too much, I'll get my water. I'm gonna get water. Don't bring the camera. Don't bring the camera. Let me just get water.
You got a friend in me.
I come to you from the future and past, Jared. You absolute idiot. This is by far the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. And it's gonna get dumber. I do this every day now. I don't care who you are. Don't do this. I'm gonna waterboard myself. I drank like a quarter of a gallon. You should have gotten them now first. It just feels like if you took gel on my face, but it was like super thin layer, and he just kept poking me like the ball point of a pen. It's like bugs jumping up and down like a trampoline on my face. But remember, this is over 2.3 million Scoville units. It's burning my skin, and because of the tape, I don't think it helped. Because of the tape, it made my skin weak, so now it's getting in my skin. It subsided out in my mouth. You want to breathe in the water? No, not like vape. That's gross. Put your breathe. Oh. Come on, wait. There we go. Now I'm getting cheerful and drunk. On a pain scale, it's like the shoot index or something. Is it called that? The shoot index? The pain scale? I don't know. I feel like because there's so many nerve endings on your face, if you did the same thing, like if you could feel the same thing on your knee, it'd probably be 10 times less. Let's run down the experience. So when the first bite, it wasn't too bad. I didn't feel it until I started chewing, and then immediately with the convulsive action, I wanted to get it out of my mouth as fast as possible. So I'm like, ugh. And because you're chewing it and chewing to get it out of your mouth, you can't just ugh. You gotta ugh. You gotta barf instead of just spit for some reason, because it's food, it's not liquid. So immediately on fire, broke out of it, because I'm swaying. At least it was a reasonable time for me to get out of the tape. What was it, like 2 minutes? Last time I couldn't even get out of the tape. So that's good. So then, as it's on fire, you feel it. It's mostly like a wave in your tongue. Whenever it's like the front and then the middle and then the back is where it heavily is. So the back makes it like you're breathing in it, but you're not. But you think you're always like, ow! I'm gonna go get aloe after I put down with my set. I hurt my arm, because again, check yourself. I didn't need the helmet. That's good. Like once you get a full body experience of what's going on, it's here, and right now it's on my arm, but in your stomach, because of how much milk I drank, I kind of want to like, but like I'm not going to, because I'm good at. Actually, I did block on camera, and I'll fix it in post. So then, since it's on fire, after a little while, the tongue settles, but since it's on your face, it's still more. There's no enzymes to break it down, so it does sit there more, and then it starts like tingling and such. I'm not gonna get to the other ones, because screw that. Screw that. I could probably prank someone with it. Like mush it down, slap it in some jelly, and just like, Jaden, I made you a PB&J. Here you go. So after it gets really hot on fire, I got the water, and I had to go. But I had to like make it circulate my water, like circulate it, like going down a waterfall, and like my waterfall's aerating all the air in my mouth instead of me drinking it, because I don't want stuff in my stomach. So that was a good technique, going, just kind of, mixing around the water. It's nice. Milk doesn't. I don't know. I heard doing this, but doing milk does worse. Oh no, doing this, but like just drinking water is bad. Right now, it's like it's kind of stiff, but that's probably just all the milk residue. I'm not gonna touch my jalapeno. No. I almost thought I got it in my eye, because I did put it on this, and I'm like, oh no. So I thought I almost got it in my eye, but luckily I didn't. What would pain scale I give it on? I don't know. I had my appendix removed, and that was a 4. For the just the pain was a 4, but everything around it was a 4. This was definitely, I want to say, a 6.5 to a 7. So it's definitely bad, and my arm's getting worse. So probably get that. So after that, your face gets kind of numb after the water. Right now it's subsided, so now it's just kind of there. Anything you guys want to say about it? About the app? From like a third-person view, what is it like?
Well, that wasn't what I expected.
What did you expect?
I don't know. I expected that like super spicy, but yeah.
I mean, right now it's subsided, but that's with like a quarter of a gallon of milk and like, ow, my arm is killing me. Okay, well, what did you guys think it was gonna do? Like, you didn't think it was gonna be that hot.
Well, I thought it would be like, I thought it would be pretty bad, like in terms of irritating your mouth and your face. But I didn't think I thought you'd be able to swallow it.
Yeah.
But
Let's wrap this up with a good old message. Don't try this. If any stranger gives you, don't accept peppers from strangers. They could be filled with a 19 and you could explode. No, for real, don't do this. Don't. Not even for a prank, don't. Like, go less on the scale. Because this isn't like, haha, no, this is up! If you do plan to do this, take my advice. No, not take my advice. Well, like, look at what I had to go through. So, yeah, don't prank anyone with this unless you're like really wanting to, annoy somebody. Challenge completed. Okay, goodbye. Don't die. Peace.